for joining me. I hope you're very well. Today I am mega excited to be trying out the new Makeup Revolution baking oil, which I have been looking forward to for such a long time. So if you want to see what this is all about and how I used it and how I got on with it, then keep watching. So this is their baking oil, which says it is to hydrate and prep for flawless makeup application. So it's basically, you can wear it under your makeup as like a primer. It's just like a skin preparation, I think. And yeah, as I say, I've got dry skin, particularly coming out of winter when we've had the heating on. It's been deadly cold, especially in the last few weeks. So I was super excited to try this. I tend to find things can kind of stick to dry skin and just emphasize it more, which if you're feeling a little bit self-conscious about your skin and you're wanting to put some makeup on, not to cover it up, but just to make it look a bit more even and make you feel a bit more confident, then you really don't want anything to be kind of highlighting those problem areas. So I'm dead impressed with this. Also, I'm getting to that time in my life where some little tiny, I thought somebody was at my door then. Where some little tiny fine lines are starting. So I'm really trying to catch that before it gets a hold and trying to kind of use different skin products and hydrate my skin as much as possible. So I'm super excited to try this. Right, so first of all, packaging. It is beautiful. I am loving all of these new Makeup Revolution products that are coming out at the moment that are all the kind of nudie blush pink, rose golds kind of colours. I just think they look so nice on your vanity table. So yeah, so we've got the kind of pipette packaging which the liquid highlighters are in. If any of you have seen those, it's similar to that. There is 18ml in here, and I believe this was £5. I'll double check and I'll leave it down in the description, but it's about a fiver. Let's see what it's like, shall we? Let's have a do. So my skin is clean. I'm ready to get my face on for the day, so I thought I would whip the camera out and let you know what I thought of it. So let's crack on. Right, so as I say, I do have dry skin and it can get sensitive, so okay, so there's a really nice subtle, almost a hint of citrus. Yeah, sort of almost a hint of citrus, but not quite. I wouldn't quite say lemony, but a really nice, such a subtle, really nice fresh scent to it, but nothing that I would say is perfumed. So that is not making me think, oh God, it's gonna irritate my skin at all. So we'll just put a few drops on the fingertips there and apply it straight on, shall we? Oh my God. That is just like silk. Oh, that is so nice. Okay, so that is a really gorgeous texture to apply. It doesn't feel greasy. It isn't dragging at all. As I say, the scent is such a nice, fresh, almost like a spa scent. Yeah, it smells really nice and luxurious. It feels super silky and super like cushioned almost. That is a beautiful texture. And look, can you see it's already making my skin look dewy? My skin never ever, I mean look how the light goes across my head. My skin never does that, ever. And my skin, as I've said a million times already in this video, I do have dry skin, so anything like this, it tends to like suck in at once, and it's just, the product tends to just disappear. So if ever I use like serums and things, I have to be quite careful with, and I have to try first because they can just disappear and not feel like they're doing anything at all. But this feels like it's kind of, yeah, it's like not disappearing, but it doesn't feel greasy or oily or like there's kind of a residue or anything. My skin just feels nice. Ooh, right, okay. So this is going to be a bit of a weird one. So I'm not going to do my makeup on camera because I've got some other products to test that I'm going to put on today. So let me just go and do the rest of my face and I'll come back and let you know how it's kind of behaved whilst I've been applying my foundations and my eyebrows and everything else. And then I'll come back and let you know what I thought. Bear with. Alright everyone, so I'm back. I've got the rest of my face on. Oh my god. Right, let me just do what I want to do first because I've got one thing left to do in my makeup today. Let me get a bit closer because you can also use the baking oil to make your highlighter stand out a bit more, and let's face it, I've got a fairly bold look for me on today, so let's yeah, let's go mental with the highlighter as well. So I think I want to use the gold one here, or maybe this one. Let's use this one first and see how we get on. I mean, I can't like spray it directly onto the brush like I do with the fixing spray for my eyeshadow, but let's kind of... Okay, so that is coming up really nicely, but I kind of want it to stand out a bit more, so let's try the other colour. Oh yeah. That definitely stands out a bit more. Let's use the first one we used again down the nose. Oh, I love it. It's kind of giving inner glow. I look so... Is this even coming up on camera? Oh, I love it. I cannot wait until I can get a proper ring light and a proper camera. No offense, laptop camera, please don't break. Okay, so that baking oil for me has been just voodoo. Like, I want to say revolutionary because I feel like that has revolutionized my life a little bit, to be honest with you. Like, for little old me who has dry skin, I mean, look. My skin doesn't do that. That kind of glow that you get. Oh, in fact, let me put my finishing spray on because I bet that makes it look even more epic. Oh my god. Now, it's very rare that I look at myself in a mirror and gasp with delight, but I'm gonna do that today. Alexa! Oh, did it keep changing then when I held that up? Sorry. Oh, yep. Alexa. Right, so baking oil is a 10 out of 10 from me. It has made my dry ass skin look dewy and healthy. Look at that sheen. Look. Oh, look. Oh, Alexa. Oh, yep. And I have got foundation on top of it. I've got baking powder. I've got contour. I've got blusher. I've got highlight. I've got lippy. I've got eyes on. It hasn't budged. It hasn't caked. It hasn't kind of... Sometimes you can put like a layer too much on, I think, and it can kind of strip it and you get a gap. Well, there's none of that business going on. This is voodoo. Like, it isn't irritating my skin. My skin feels supple. It looks supple. I am so impressed. And it was like £5. I mean, for me to walk out of the house feeling like I've got supple, healthy, glowy skin is like worth way more than a fiver to me. This is voodoo. This is ridiculous. Have you lot sold your soul or something to get these formulas? Because they are ridiculous. Ah, I am so glad I found you. I actually just had my 1 year anniversary with Makeup Revolution. You know, you get the timeline things coming up on Facebook. Well, I had one in February. Yes, it will have been because it was mine and Paul's Valentine's trip away last year, and bought loads of it and have been hooked ever since. And there's barely a week goes by that I don't buy something Makeup Revolution or film a Makeup Revolution themed video, and I use their products every single day and look forward to what's coming next. So yeah, oh, they just get better and they just make me smile more. I love it. So the new Makeup Revolution baking oil, which I've used as a primer, it's skin conditioning, it's beautiful, it's lightweight, it's such a light, subtle, fresh fragrance that smells expensive, if you know what I mean. Yeah, this has gone on beautifully. I absolutely adore it. Yeah, total thumbs up, 10 out of 10 from me, Makeup Rev. Thanks ever so much. Speaking of thumbs up, if you like this video, go and give me a massive thumbs up, please, just down there. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We have so many new subscribers, it's ridiculous. So hi to every single one of you. I'm gonna be doing a kind of a fresh, up-to-date get to know me video for all you new people out there, so stay tuned for that one. Yeah, just go and do all that. Go and subscribe, thumbs up, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!